all throughout his life on earth, ang ginagawa niya is, he keeps on serving people. And when he was doing miracles, yung mga miracles niya na yun ay, kung titignan natin, yes, one of the reasons ay para malaman ng mga tao na siya talaga yung anak ng Diyos, di ba? Na powerful enough siya. Pero, isip ko kasi, kung ang purpose niya lang is, gusto ko lang i-flaunt yung power ko, pwede namang gawin niya din yan in a way na, kunyari, pinatay niya lahat ng kalaban ng Israel, di ba? Or something, kasi yun yung expectation nila kay Christ that he will be, parang mag-lead siya ng revolution, parang ganun. Yun yung expectation nila sa Savior or Messiah, pero hindi ganun yung ginawa ni Jesus eh. All throughout his ministry, what he did was, yung application niya ng pagmamahal na yon. Of course, bago siya mamatay sa crosses, he served everyone. Sa lahat ng miracles na ginawa niya, laging ang purpose ay paano matulungan yung mga tao. And yun nga, parang sa atin, ganun din. Siya yung, diba, he is love eh. So, whatever it is na ginawa niya habang nandito siya, ganun din tayo, di ba? Kahit mahirap, kahit nakakainis, kahit wala ka sa mood, or kahit na feeling mo, kailangan mo din yun, you serve anyway. And inisip ko ngayon, pagka nakafocus tayo doon, yung ibang mga decisions that we do in life, we can be wrong in other things. We can be wrong in the career that we choose. We can be wrong in choosing how we respond to people. We can be wrong with our decisions. Pero pag nag-focus ka sa Panginoon, that's something na never kang magkakamali. You focus on Him and you allow Him to move in your life. And yun nga, serve the way He served. Kasi yun yung expression niya ng pagmamahal niya. Until dun sa kahuli-hulihan, hanggang sa namang mamatay na siya, it was for all of us. It was because He wanted for us to experience yun, yung fullness ng pagmamahal na yun. So, yun for me.